You're all here to fight for the title of Next Level Chef. Season 2 of Next Level Chef is extraordinary.
We're finding the best of social media, home cooks, and professional chefs competing on 3 levels for a 1-year mentorship with Gordon Ramsay, Naisha Arrington, and myself, Richard Blaze, and $250,000.
This is the ultimate proving ground.
We have some of the absolute best chefs in the country.
The contestants are amazing.
Let's go!
And the judges are feistier.
On the platform now!
This season is totally different. You can save yourself from elimination with an immunity pin.
We have immunity pins, we have time tokens. Wow!
Maybe you get a time token, you get a little bit more time for yourself.
They are taking things up to the next level.
We on Next Level Chef, baby. You can head on over to the lounge.
The team and the chefs who win get to go hang out in the lounge to watch the elimination.
They both have me concerned.
It's loungy.
That's nice.
Since I won last season, I think Gordon and Richard, they're really trying to up their game.
You two are in for a rough ride.
You boys don't know what you're talking about.
I don't think it's gonna happen this year, Naisha. And Gordon, no. Hasn't he won enough?
I'm not good at losing.
I did not say not to.
I'm done.
That first episode is one not to be missed. We've got one of the biggest lead-ins on the planet, the Super Bowl on Fox.
Is there a more coveted spot?
It doesn't get any bigger than that.